morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in the last session, I have discussed about different types of computer networking. In that, we have discussed about LAN, local area networking, WAN, W area networking, wide area networking, and MAN, metropolitan area networking. As you know, that when we are using networking, sometimes different types of security issues we people are facing. So for that, network security is must, and it is important to protect your data while using a computer network. Before accessing information on a network, users must enter a username and password. This ensures that only authorized people can use the information stored on the network. Username and password allows the network administrator to keep track of everyone who uses the computers on a network. So our today's topic is network security. So let's start our topic. First of all, I want to tell you what is network security. The term network security refers to a set of policies and procedures implemented for protecting a network from online threats. Here I have used the word online threats. Threats means the reasons when our data it is being misused by someone. A number of online threats can target and misuse your data and network infrastructure, including its hardware and software components. A malicious software or malware may attack your computer and compromise the security of your system, which may also lead to data theft. So, here I am going to tell you now some of the common threats to your computer which you are facing when you are using networking system. First, we are discussing about viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Malware such as viruses, worms, and Trojan horses are programs specially designed to attack your computer system and disrupt its normal functions. Students, as sometimes we people also become sick. In the same way, our computer system can also get infected through such viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. Your computer system can get infected through an email attachment. Sometimes, when we are getting emails on our email account and some attachment is there, and when we are clicking on that particular attachment, virus can attack on our computer system through that email attachment. Your system can also get infected if an infected external storage device like pen drive it is used on your computer. Now I am telling you about spyware and adware. A spyware is also a malicious application designed to spy on your computer. As you know, what is the meaning of spy? Spy means a person who just keep an eye on someone activities. Here we are just talking about spyware. A spyware is a malicious application designed to spy on your computer. What it will it will watch all the activities on your computer. It can track information you share on the internet and can even monitor your online activities. An adware constantly displays unwanted advertisements material on your monitor. See, so I told you about two things here, spyware and adware. Spyware is that malicious application which has been designed to keep an eye on your computer. Whereas adware, it has been designed to keep an eye on the unwanted advertisement material. Now we will discuss about hacking. Hacking is very common word. Sometimes the people, those who hack, then they will be getting punishment by the government as it is an punishable act. Hacking involves gaining an unauthorized access to your confidential information. Hacking is often used to gather sensitive data, such as your bank account information. See, the person, those who are involved in hacking, they are known as hackers. Next is phishing. Phishing involves sending fraudulent messages to gain personal information such as bank account details, credit card number, or any other financial data. Loss of data, money, and even identity theft are among the numerous consequences of a phishing attack. For example, children, sometimes your parents are getting some fake messages on the mobile phone, like they have won a 1 crore lottery. So these are actually those messages which are sent by some fraudulent persons, by some cheaters. They will ask you about your bank account details. They can also ask you credit card numbers, and in this way, after getting your personal information, they can steal your money. Now, we have to discuss about denial of service. In short, we can call it DOS. Zombie computers, the computers infected with malware and taken over by a hacker. So such computers, they are known as zombie computers. Often send services request to disrupt the functioning of a website. A denial of service attack overloads servers with data, thereby making a website inaccessible to a user. So, this is known as denial of service. Other threats to a network security, they include botnets, rootkits, spam, or even a blended attack that combines multiple threat components. So here I have explained you all the security issues related to network. So network security is must if we want to protect our data while using a computer network. So for that, here are some solutions, security solutions. You can protect your computer from security threats using a number of techniques. A security policy aims at ensuring maintenance and security of a computer system. It helps to avoid disruption of your day to day activities. You can implement these security solutions or security techniques to ensure network security. The first security solution about which we are going to talk, it is authentication and authorization protocols. An authentication protocol verifies an identity claim over a network. It ensures that only authorized user get access to the network data. An authorization protocol helps you configure the allocation of authority among users. For example, if you are going to withdraw money from an ATM machine, it is always asking about your username and password. And this by using this method, you can withdraw your money by filling all these details. So in this way, we can withdraw the money through the ATM. So this is known as authentication and authorization protocol. Now next type of network security technique, it is antivirus and anti-spyware. A specialized software such as antivirus and anti-spyware can detect and remove malicious programs. These programs can be set to scan computers to detect programs of suspicious nature or activity. If in our computer system, if we will install such specialized software like antivirus and anti-spyware, then we can easily scan our computers to get the suspicious activity information. Next, I am going to talk about firewall. This is another network security technique. A firewall is a software that monitors network traffic and restricts the access of unauthorized users or programs. Many operating systems and antivirus products have their own firewall. The firewall prevents the entry of any program that is configured to be restricted. So firewall, it is just like that specialized software which will monitor all the activities, all the entries of different types of programs that are harmful for our computer system. Now we will talk about virtual private networks. Virtual private network, it is another kind of network security technique. In short, you can call it VPN. It enables remote access to your computer system through a secure pathway. Confidential communication can be carried out inside a VPN, virtual private networks. So, in this way, network security refers to a set of policies and procedures implemented to protect the network from online threats. So, students, today you have learned about different types of network security techniques. By using them, you can secure your data while using a computer network. That's all for today. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you so much.